Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to pay for Disney Plus using GCash. Alright, let's begin. Now you want to open up your Disney Plus app and go to My Space. But before you subscribe to the plan, we need to make sure that we have connected GCash in our payment methods. So you want to go to App Store and go to your profile. Here in your profile, go to Account Settings and access Manage Payments. After clicking on Manage Payments, you want to add a payment method and click on GCash. Then, you want to connect your GCash account, and it will then start showing up. After you're connected to GCash, you want to go back to Disney Plus and click on Subscribe. Next, choose your plan, and then Continue. After that, it's going to contact App Store, and you will just need to confirm the payment. So that's basically how you can pay for Disney Plus using GCash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.